I guess everyone is today needing a quick fix for their pimples, and pimple patches are one of the hottest products which have been selling throughout. Thanks to Alia.
It helps, in my opinion, helps dry out the pimple and bring out whatever is underneath it, the dirt, impurities, even faster. And once it kind of comes out, I go and I pop it. I know it's not good and I would not suggest that you should do it. I'm just being honest and telling you what I do.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Roshni Mishra. I'm an MD dermatologist and today we will talk about pimple patches. And did you know that by the end of 2026, India will be having a population of around 2.3 crores suffering with acne? And pimple patches are something that is going to promise to reduce the acne and take away all that big round pus-filled acne overnight. And that's also going to help in boosting up your confidence. But do they really work? Let's find out. Now these pimple patches, they are made of the squishy hydrocolloid material which is going to help in protecting your acne from the direct bacteria and the sunlight. So basically it's working like a band-aid over your skin. Along with this, it is also going to make sure that you don't keep on touching your acne with your fingers. Now the hydrocolloid technology which they are using in the pimple patches, now that is also going to help in taking away all the impurities and the pus which is coming through your acne. So it's like a vacuum creating over your skin. So this is also going to make sure that all the toxins which are being released during the procedure of acne, that is also going to be taken care and taken away from your skin by these pimple patches. So these pimple patches, they are going to not only save your skin, your acne from the bacteria and the sunlight, but also keeping your hands and your fingers at its base so that you don't end up popping that acne. So if you're someone who can't resist popping up your acne, pimple patches are a great lifesaver for you. Along with this, if you want to know what are the other mistakes to be avoided when you're having acne, please click on the video below. Now, what are the other ingredients which you should look after in these pimple patches? Well, if your skin can tolerate the active ingredients, sometimes in the pimple patches, it might be containing salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. Both of this can be a bit drying on your skin. Now, what exactly you're supposed to do with these pimple patches? So first and foremost thing, at night, clean your face completely and make sure that your skin over the acne is completely dry. Now stick that pimple patch over your skin and leave it for next 6 to 8 hours, or you can even sleep overnight. Make sure that you're repeating it on everyday basis unless and until your acne has started to reduce. Now this will help in preventing the scar formation over your skin. Now do pimple patches actually work for each and every type of acne? Well, the answer is no. It is very useful for the acne which is pus filled, and along with this if there is surrounding redness. But if you're someone who's having cystic acne or if you're having comedonal acne, that is surely not going to get reduced with the help of the acne patches. So if you get a surprise acne on your face just right before a big event or some occasion, the best fix for this can be an acne patch, but just make sure that this is not going to be a replacement for the proper medical treatment which is going to be required in case of if you're suffering with persistent and recurrent acne. You need to seek an advice from your dermatologist. So the dermatologists are going to help in finding the root cause solutions for your acne. Along with this, if you're still wanting to try the pimple patches, make sure that you still consult your dermatologist and get an advice and get the proper treatment, and then definitely try a pimple patch. So do you actually need a pimple patch? Well, that is going to definitely depend on the severity and the type of acne which you're suffering with. But it is always better to seek an advice of a dermatologist, as pimple patches are not one size fits all. For more such myth related videos, keep following us, and if you like the video, please like and comment if you have any queries.